इस क्वेश्चन में कहा गया है लेट a and b be positive real number. Suppose pq vector is equal to ai plus bj, ps vector is ai minus bj. These two are adjacent sides of parallelogram PQRS. Let u and v be the projection vectors of w vector along PQ and PS respectively. If mod u plus mod v is equal to mod w, and if the area of parallelogram PQRS is 8, then which of the following statements is oblique are true? You have to find the correct choice. क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग है कि एक पैरेललोग्राम है P Q R S. This is PQ vector and this is PS vector. It is AI plus BJ. It is AI माइनस BJ. हम जानते हैं कि A वेक्टर और B वेक्टर यदि दो वेक्टर दे रखे हों तो प्रोजेक्शन वेक्टर ऑफ A वेक्टर ऑन B वेक्टर इज A डॉट B अपॉन मॉड B स्क्वायर इनटू B वेक्टर होता है, और यदि प्रोजेक्शन वेक्टर का मॉडुलस निकालना हो तो वो होता है A डॉट B अपॉन, ये होता है प्रोजेक्शन वेक्टर ऑफ A वेक्टर ऑन B वेक्टर का मॉडुलस. और क्योंकि मेरे को मॉड u और मॉड v की जरूरत पड़ रही है, इसलिए मैं पहले मॉड u और मॉड v की वैल्यू को कैलकुलेट कर लेता हूं. Hence, using this formula, projection of w on pq vector will be pq dot w upon mod of pq. This is equal to mod of a plus b upon under root a square plus b square, and this is mod of u. Similarly, mod of v will be ps dot w mod upon ps vector mod, that is equal to mod of a minus b upon under root a square plus b square. और क्योंकि ये कंडीशन दे रखी है, hence I get mod of a plus b upon under root a square plus b square plus mod of a minus b upon under root is equal to root 2, because mod of w is root 2. That is, I get a plus b plus mod of root 2 into a square plus b square. लेकिन a और b पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर दे रखे हैं, हेंस ये तो बन गया a प्लस b प्लस मॉड ऑफ two cases arise, either a is more than b or a is less than b. यदि a b से बड़ा होगा, then I will get 2a equal to under root that is, I get 4a square equal to 2a square plus 2b square, that is a square equal to b square, that is a is equal to b. Note that a and b are both positive. यदि a b से छोटा होता तो यहां मैं 2 बी पे पहुंचता तो भी आखिर में यही कंक्लूजन मिलता। मीन्स ए बी से छोटा हो चाहे बड़ा हो, फाइनली आई हैव गॉट दिस कंक्लूजन। Hence, this becomes A into I plus j, and this becomes A into I minus j. And clearly, area of this will be A into I minus j cross A into I plus j mod, that is A square into I cross j plus again I cross j, that is 2 A square into mod of k, and mod of k is 1, hence I get 2A square. And because area is given to be 8, hence 2A square equal to 8 implies that A equal to 2. Therefore, B is also 2. Hence, A becomes correct choice, B is wrong choice. और ये क्लियर है, PR vector is sum of these two, that is PR vector is equal to 2AI, that is mod of PR vector is 2A, that is 4 because A is 2. Hence C is also correct. W is along the angular bisector of PQ and PS is clearly wrong because W vector is I plus j and PQ vector is A into I plus j, because B is equal to A common आ जाएगा, तो A into I plus j. Hence I can say W vector is parallel to PQ vector, so W vector L is an angular bisector of PQ and PS becomes wrong.